Hey guys, good morning. We are in Evans, Georgia at this beautiful property right here in Evans. We've got Lloyd out here doing a little bit of treatment on some bricks. We're treating here. You can already see it starting to clean up this beautiful coral stone patio. We've done this home for a few years now. You can see where it starts to, you actually start to see the difference where we're treating it. So we have to be super careful here on this home. A couple things to watch out for. Coral stone patio like this, we want to make sure we do not put high pressure on it. So we don't want to put a surface cleaner on it to make sure we don't damage it. Again, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. But you can see where over time, just moisture, obviously this is a pretty porous surface. We've got lots of divots that mildew is going to the water's going to sit, create some mildew. But we're able to come in with our soft wash, clean this up and get it taken care of. But hey, MEGAH SoftWash, we are the experts in soft wash cleaning. It's in our name. We started it all here in Evans, Georgia, brought the soft wash. We have helped to educate the market, and we are truly the professionals in soft wash exterior cleaning in our area. Give us a call today, MEGAH SoftWash, 706-825-61, bring the camera up, 32. Have a great day, guys.